Well, coming up after weather, new year, new you, but what about your pets? We get tips on how to keep those four-legged family members on the right track too. Well, you humans may be looking at improving your health in this new year, but don't forget your furry family members. Let's bring in MK Halm. She volunteers for the Center for Animal Rescue and Enrichment, or iCare SDL. Thank you so much for joining us.
Good morning. Thank you for having me.
And who's that little one you have with you?
This is Murphy, and I got a couple other critters running around here that you might see as well.
Hey, bring them in, bring them in. You know, earlier we did show off some animals up for adoption through iCare STL. How can adopting a pet versus buying one, how can that help overall pet health?
Well, it's really important to make sure that you're managing your pet's weight. So get your dog out into the backyard and play ball with them. Get them out for a walk. It's a great thing if you can get out and exercise with them. That's a win-win since we're all trying to prioritize our health right now. So doing this can prevent your pet's stress, putting stress on their joints, and they're more likely to be avoiding things like heart and respiratory disease and, of course, arthritis because of risk. So making sure that your pet's staying at a healthy size is great for their overall health. The second thing that you can do is to protect your pet's oral health. This is a really alarming statistic, but there's a study that shows that over 80% of dogs will show signs of early gum disease by the time they're just 3 years old, which is kind of concerning. And so what we want to do is making sure that we're protecting their oral hygiene. The easiest way that I do this is by using ProBioraPet. This is an all-natural oral care probiotic that you can sprinkle right onto your pet's food. It's odorless, flavorless, and it uses good bacteria to crowd out the bad bacteria in your pet's mouth and then replaces it with that good bacteria. So overall good oral health is the foundation for good overall health for your pet. So making sure that you're paying attention to that is a huge priority. The third thing that you can do is make sure that your pet is spayed or neutered. Most shelters will make sure that your pet is spayed or neutered before you rescue them and bring them home. This is going to make sure that we're limiting the amount of homeless animals living in America's shelters, and it also gives them a longer lifespan, which of course is what we all want. Fourth thing you can do is to get a heartworm preventative. It is far cheaper to prevent heartworm disease than it is to treat heartworm disease, so make sure that you're asking your vet about a recommendation. And finally, making sure that you're incorporating proper nutrition into your pet's lifestyle. We're all watching what we eat. We're prioritizing our health by, paying attention to what we're putting into our bodies. So ask your vet about recommended brands and sizes of portions, and making sure that you're paying attention to any specific dietary needs that your pet has. So these are some really easy action steps that we can all take every day to prioritize our pet's health in addition to our own.
Now, just real quick, sometimes dogs, as adorable as they can be, they can have that dragon breath, like they're a whole nother species. When do you know that that's indicative of a more serious health problem other than something just annoying for us humans?
A vet will be able to tell you when that's starting to become a concern. ProBioraPet will also help freshen breath in addition to protecting the overall health. And so making sure that you're paying attention to that. There's also different shoes that you can use that will help crowd out and kind of remove some of that tartar and plaque buildup that's happening on your dog's gums.
Oh, that's a good point. Hey, we got to take care of our teeth. We got to take care of theirs, too. We will have a link for more information on fox2now.com. MK Halm, and to all your critters there, thank you so much for your help today. We appreciate it.
Thank you. Sure thing.
We're coming right back with more Fox 2 News, 9 a.m.